mag-unbox tayo ng ating mga gifts from our office mates. Yay! Oh, wait lang. Makakagalaw sa mukha. So, let's start with, so ito sila. Nakauwi ko lang. I'll be uploading this syempre sa Christmas na. Pero, buksan na natin siya ngayon kasi aalis kami sa Christmas. So, kung una kong bubuksan is yung wishlist ko sa aming Christmas party. Thank you. Shout out to Legan. To my partner. I wished for 3 things. First is aqua flask, luggage, saka samgyup griller. Mabigat siguro yung iba, kaya ito yung binili niya. So, nag-wish ako ng aqua flask. Thank you so much. Meron pa siyang lagayan sa ilalim. Ayan. So pretty. Thank you so much for buying one of my wish lists. So, tabi ko muna. More! Next is from Sir Manny. Minsan talaga nakakagulat ko ano mga pwede mong makuha sa office. Kasi once na may blessing, naaambunan talaga tayo. So, thank you po. Ganda! Okay. I think there's there's so, I'll flash the video, but nung Monday, I think that's Monday, may nagbigay ng mga something sa office. And onti lang kami doon, so pinaraffle na lang using the Wheel of Fortune. I'll flash the video. But ito yung nakuha ko. Thank you so much. Pinauwi pa tayo pang ulam. And for Christmas, of course, we have Queso de Bola. Thank you so much. Okay, where's the magic hands? Basa siya. Gulo-gulo naman. Of course, this is, you know what, I really like the ribbon part. I love ribbons. This is from my seatmate in office. Ang pinaka the best. Na-excited kasi sa na nakilala ko. Thank you so much, Miss Net. Kumila mo na yun. Hindi ko kami nang narinig sa video na to. But, here's the gift from Miss Net. It's a towel. Gosh, nagtag-towel na ako. Kasi ang towel ko ngayon is ang towel na. Pwede ko na siyang i-balik sa akin. So, from our Tatay Ding. Thank you so much, Sir Ding, and we're so sad that you're already leaving us. Have the holder here. We have the holder. And we have the calendar. Calendar yan. Ilang calendar, pero sobrang calendar 2025. March. April. And so on and so forth. So, dito siya ilalagay. Diba, ang perfect kasi this. Sa every lunch. This is from Miss Isa. This is a notepad na nakalagay ay, Lord, kahit po mahina ako sa math, okay lang pong dumami ang pera ko. Kaya ko pong bilangin yun. Which is true. Oh my gosh, I need this for that to spend more money. Thank you so much, Miss Rabbit. For sure, I'll keep the lalagyan, but the laman, dito ang abot next week. Thank you po. Next gift. Thank you so much, Miss Jen.
Grabe.
Ito po yung purse. Nalaramdaman talaga ni Miss Jen na lagi lang bariyang natitira sa sahod ko. And, may na-receive akong chocolitos. It is made by Sir Jico's girlfriend. Pero naubos ko na kasi siya. Actually, naubos ko na rin yung chocolitos sa mga ka-office mate ko. Shout out to Miss Karen for donating. At this is the card. For, as a hoarder, sinabi ko siya. Thank you, Sir Jico, Sir John Lloyd. Batang Manda. Yes. Oo. Parang yung alis na lang travel for the years na style. Personal. As in, and kailangan ko na lang provide ng bag or luggage. But this is perfect. Thank you po. Next. This is my mom. Hi, Mom. This is a phone holder. Look. Phone holder siya na may keychain. Yan. Tingnan, pwede mo siya isabit, tapos phone holder siya.
Hindi pa kami nakakailangan niya.
So cute. Next guest, this is for our particularly, this hand 18, makinig mo.
Ano naman, Jis?
Katingin ko!
Pati ka mo, ano?
Hala! Ang cute! Purple! Katingin ko. Grabe, Kat. Ito na talaga yung kailangan. Ang cute, girl. You can open it all the way through. Pwede siyang for travel kit. Itong may mga lagayan ka ng shampoo.
Kasi kung hindi yung lasa. Yung, pag di mo maintindihan. Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Sweeney. Next is...
Sasabihin ko ka bakit
It's Patty, your dancing queen. I think sabi natin ano mo yung shorts. So, I think
Hindi po.
Ito ala. Ang ginagawa mo?
Kukumarto.
Love, joy, hope,
gifts. And of course, ang pinakamalaking gift na I received this year is that one. Kita niyo ba yan? Pangit naman ang gift na yan. Yan, yung 65-inch TV.
Bakit?
Grabe. Yan gift sa akin ni Lord, tsaka ni FBTC. So, thank you so much po sa lahat ng gifts. I really appreciate it. Bawi po ako next year. Hindi ko makadali this year eh. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you will have a great and Merry Christmas. Parang kayo sa buko, pero sana masaya kayo sa Pasko. Thank you, Lord, talaga sa lahat ng blessings. Diba?